Hi, my name is Chris Stubbs. In this video, we will cover the risk of participating in athletics and activities. We cannot totally eliminate risk from sports and activities, but what we try to do is reduce the effects. The two key components of this are prevention and education. Our coaches do an excellent job of instruction, prevention, and education. Each individual sport has its own inherent risk. Our coaches will instruct the participants of those risks that are involved. The inherent risks themselves of each activity is what gives the appeal to it. If we eliminated the risk totally, then we would probably not have anyone go out for that activity or sport. So what are we talking about when we discuss inherent risks? These could come in the form of minor physical injuries, such as sprains, strains, bruises, and scrapes. They could be in the form of a moderate injury, such as a fracture, ligament, or tendon damage, possible dehydration. In more severe or catastrophic injuries, these could include concussion, cardiac arrest, respiratory problems, paralysis, and in the unlikely event, death. Some special risk factors that might be involved are criticism in the form of negative chants from fans or opponents, possibly even negative criticism from teammates or family members. Time can also be a risk factor. Practice, participation, and competition is going to sacrifice study time, time away from family and friends. Expectations and goals can also be risk factors. What is the parent versus the child's goal? What is the athlete versus the coach's goal? And in special circumstances, what is the athlete versus the media or community's goal? How do we prevent problems and risks? Well, you can help us by providing a medical exam, making sure that your son or daughter is using their equipment properly, that they are following instructions given by their coach or supervisor, they are maintaining good health, they are informing their coach or supervisor of any possible injury or pre-existing condition. And lastly, they can help us out by knowing when to say when. What does the school and the athletic director do to help reduce risk? We provide a safe playing area. All fields, courts are maintained and inspected. We monitor the weather conditions. We provide safe and proper equipment. We provide transportation to and from events. We pride ourselves in hiring quality staff members, and we provide education and training to all our staff members. What are the responsibilities of the coaches and supervisors? Risk management. Coaches and supervisors are taught proper technique and stress this at all times to their athletes and participants. Level of competition. We try to pair our athletes up according to skill level, for example, freshman level, JV, and varsity. Training is done in a way that athletes can move up rather than all at once. Proper equipment and supplies are given, and at all times, our coaches and supervisors are evaluating and supervising your child. Our coaches and supervisors also go through education and training. All coaches and supervisors are CPR certified. All coaches and supervisors are educated in the signs of concussion and in dehydration. All coaches and supervisors are well versed in their field of play and execution. In conclusion, by the very nature of athletic activity, participants are at risk of physical injury. No matter how careful the players and the coaches are, no matter how many precautions are taken, risk cannot be eliminated. It can be reduced, but never eliminated. The risk of injury includes minor injuries such as broken bones, dislocations, and muscle strains. The risk also includes catastrophic injuries such as permanent paralysis or even death. It is important everyone understands these risks and that students follow all safety instructions and directions given by the coaches because they are established to reduce the risk of injury. Thank you for watching this.